Hello, I have a 2008 Mustang that I just purchased, and it has a check engine light on. So I went to put the code reader, and it was saying the code was p0193, and I go check on the internet, and it was saying that a p0193 was a fuel rail pressure sensor. So I replaced the pressure sensor, and I delete the code and drive the car, and 2-3 miles later the check engine light come back again, and I check it again, and it was kept saying the same thing, p0193. So I start checking this, and I see these vacuum hoses going to the intake manifold, and I see one of the vacuum hose goes to the pressure sensor too. So I start checking the cables for any current, or if it has power or not. And this one didn't have power, but I see that they're kind of connected and related to this with the EGR and the throttle body. So I always keep checking and start watching videos, people saying they changed a lot of sensors. They even changed the harmonic balance, and some of them still has the problem with the check engine light on, and something with the fuel rail pressure sensor, and something with the O2 sensors related to the gasoline or vacuum. And I was keep checking, and I was ready to change all the sensors at the same time, but I got curious about this EGR, how it's related to that, and how this connection is related to throttle body and pressure sensor. So I disconnect this port right here, and I see that it have a filter, a sponge filter, and it was dirty, full of dirt, and the engine was shaking sometimes too much. So I went to wash this part, and I was curious about it, and I checked this part inside, and it has a hole in the middle, like if it's throwing air or absorbing air or vacuum due to this part over here. So I put my finger on, and my car starts failing like it was doing with the check engine light on. So I cleaned this with soap and water, put it back in together, and turn on the car again, delete the code, and drive the car for 50 miles, and nothing happened. It's not shaking anymore. The check engine light went off, and the car is still running, and no check engine light come on. This is what I have with this one. Try to check the EGR, air filter or vacuum filter. Make sure it's not dirty. It may save you a lot of money and time. Thank you.